Hello, friends. Welcome back to Money YouTube Tips English. Today, I'm going to teach you how can we make the money in online by doing simple work at your home. If you want to earn money from the online, you must have one smart device like mobile or computer. In addition, you must have some basic knowledge how to work in Google and how to use the internet. That's it, friends. This is the enough to make the money in online. You no need to invest your money, or you don't want to spend the money from your pocket, friends. You must have some basic knowledge how to work in online. That's it. Let's get started without wasting your time. Now you can open the Chrome browser and type the website name. I'm typing here. This is the website where you can earn the money from the online by doing simple work. Making the money uh, is not very easy, friends. You must work something like that, something like this. You can read the website. What is of slash forever? It is the center to upload files and images, which as well as being free, it pay for you so you can make money in online from your home. So how can I earn money? So you can read all these details from this website, friends. So don't skip anywhere in this video. If you skip, you will miss some of the important tips and tricks which I will tell in this video, friends. In this video, what you need to do is you can sell your images, beautiful images like animals, cat, dogs, or forest, or building images, beautiful images. You can sell your images through these website, friends. That's it. In addition, if you don't have any beautiful images, you can visit to googleimage.com. You can download the copyright free images. I have already uploaded one video how can we download the copyright free images from the Google Images. You can see first, then you will come to know how to download the copyright free images and how can we upload these files here. You can download those files and upload it here. You can make the registration here in this website and select the payment options, username, password, email address. If you choose the payment info here, they've given some of the payment banking options. You can choose as per your convenient. After making the registration process, you can sign in to your um, file. See, I'm clicking my account options. You can read what is up forever. You can make the profit from this online from this website, friends, by doing simple work. You can read all these informations which they have given here. If you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications which. See, you can click these three dots and you can see the payment proofs. Many people have been involved and working in this website to make the money in online through these website friends. You can see the payment proof, date, username and the amount, how much amount they have got from this website, and the payment method also they have displayed here. I think this is the one of the best website where you can earn the money in online by doing simple work at your home. You can see here friends, you can sell your beautiful images in this website. Simply I will tell friends, you can create an account in this website and you can upload the beautiful images from your phone, or you can download the copyright free images from the Google Images and upload it here. If anyone will download your file, this website will pay you. That's it friends, this is the overall conclusion of this particular website. You can read all these informations from these website friends. Before making any decisions, you must read the terms and condition and other related informations which they have provided in this website friends. I will not be responsible for anything here. I have given only tips and tricks friends. You must do your own research before making any decisions. This is only for an educational purposes. These videos made for only an educational purposes only friends. Here I have showed how to earn the money in online by doing simple work. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon friends. If you like this video, please give your valuable comments whether this video is useful or not. If you like, you can share this video to your friends and share to your lovable one. You can see here we have the best pricing in the we have the best pricing for the profit. You can see these details, United States and Canada. They have varied the paying amount. If someone will download your file in United States or Canada, the payment will be varied. Tier 1, Tier 2, South Africa and the United Arab Emirates. Like that they have given current profit modes from the website. You can see the payment methods, PayPal, Payoneer, Payza, Bitcoin, like that, Skrill. They have collaborated with the different payment banking methods to provide the salary to the workers. You can see the Western Union, the minimum withdraw amount is $200. All other payment method is the minimum withdraw is $1 friends. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe and share this video to your available one friends. Thank you so much.